Moral and life lessons: repairing what I can, not just replacing. In the peaceful village of Whisperwood lived a little boy named Timi. One sunny Tuesday, he found his beloved toy chest, cracked and battered. He felt a pang in his heart but knew just what to do. Timi dug through his box of tools, seeking the right ones to mend his toy chest. He found a hammer, some nails, and glue. As he began to fix it, he felt a sense of pride swell within him. With gentle taps and a dab of glue, here and there, he mended the toy chest. It looked much better already. With every crack he fixed, his joy multiplied. Looking at his work so far, he thought of a way to make it even more special. He pulled out some colorful stickers and added them to the repaired toy chest, giving it a vibrant new look. With a heart full of pride, he took the toy chest to show the village elder. The elder praised him for his hard work and care for belonging. Feeling encouraged by the elder's praise, Timi shared his experience with the other village children. They were amazed and inspired to mend their broken toys as well. Before long, the village was buzzing with the sound of hammers and laughter as children mended their belongings. They were learning the value of caring for what they had. Timi watched with a warm smile as the village changed for the better. Waste reduced, and they began to appreciate the things they had. Timi understood that with patience and hard work, even the broken and damaged could be made whole again. He felt proud of his newfound skill. The village elder approached Timi and presented him with a special token of appreciation. Timi felt honored and grateful for the recognition. As the sun set over Whisperwood, Timi cherished his repaired toy chest and the lessons he had learned. He knew that caring for belongings would make them last much longer. Timi sat by his repaired toy chest, a contented smile on his face. He felt proud of what he had accomplished and eager to share his newfound skills with others. He knew that repairing, not just replacing, was an important lesson for everyone to learn.